Hello, and maybe welcome back to my channel, Graybeard Kicks. I do quote unquote woodworking, and I also buy shoes occasionally, sneakers specifically. Uh, I'm new to creating content right now, so excuse some of these bumps in this road as I get used to doing this thing. Uh, okay, so what you're watching right now is me planing some boards in preparation for making an edge grain or long grain cutting board. Um, I've usually been my other two videos, those were end grain. This one's a long grain or edge grain. Uh, right now, so I'm planing them down. I don't have a specific thickness that I'm going for. Just going by vibes. Just going by the vibes, bro. Uh, depending on measurements will get more precise as we get down the line and start doing some other types of projects.
So my idea now is to do a long grain, not an edge grain board, using these. So I think this is the orientation that I like. Yeah, this will. So I'm going to use a pencil. Oops. Yeah, that would line up. So doing the glue up, I can get the lines. Lining them back up will be not such a hassle. See if we can do some scraping. So, yeah. I'm also wondering, like, should I do this? Should I make this some kind of? Since I'm going to be losing all of this anyway. And this over here, to straighten it out. If I should try and do some kind of voodoo, different kind of shape or something. Think about it. Okay, a panel. So, all right. going to make a jigsaw cut on both sides, this side and the other side, to have a differently shaped type of board. So, yeah. Probably end up, rounding off some more of the edges. In fact, yeah, now that I'm thinking about it or saying it out loud, just round off. What we're going to do today, I figured I'm gonna take out these 3 holes by cutting in a handle basically into this area here. And yeah, this project has taught me going forward to either cut out and stop using the pallet wood, or at least the parts of the pallet wood with the nail holes in it. Because it's just too much to be trying to fill in. Okay, so it didn't come out terrible. Oh well, it is terrible. Nah, it's not bad for what I was trying to do. You can see the shape is a little wonky, but I don't want to go in there. Well, I got the chisels. Maybe I can go in there and straighten it out. But I don't want to mess with it anymore because it's pretty flat. Was able to get the router bits to chew out enough to make it, respectable. All right, so there we go. Filled in cracks with some CA glue and some Starbond. Waiting for it to cure as much as possible. Then we'll do some chipping off of the high points and then sand it down to its final destination. Okay, yeah. So, but yeah. Now, I like this board for what it is. Cool little handle there. And by the way, it's been sanded down to, or up to 240, 220. And did the water pop of the fibers. But I'm going to go over it again with 240 again once once we get everything, the fillings, get that taken care of. But yeah, so and the reason I was saying about softwoods, I think this is a pine. I don't know what this is. I think it's some kind of sap-ish wood, sapwood, I guess that's what they call it. Need some more sanding over here too. But it seems to show like marks real easily. So I can imagine using this with it would show a lot of, it would show wear and tear very fast if used or when used as a cutting board. But I mean, it's just at the end of the day, it's just it is literally just a panel, some fancy designs cut into it to chop up some meat or maybe even display your cheese and fruits, depending on what you want to do. But it's cool. Like I said, I do like the. I'm gonna have to figure out, or at least this is my first foray into cutting in a handle. So came out okay. It's not perfect by any means, but we'll get it together. Got everything pretty much leveled out, so here we go. Let's see. I never. Let's see how this is going to act on the edge grain here. Okay. So I'm gonna let that. So we're done. We're done at this point. We will. Oh, I keep saying we. I will continue to oil that thing down. Oops. No. This should be enough for the front and back. I don't know.